You have so much grace, inner peace that it radiates outwardly. You have a ball of fire that can be felt by many. You have a warm and inviting energy that holds so much wisdom and knowledge. You have many options because many people are drawn to you because of your outer appearance, but your inner qualities. Some of you could have Neptune on your ascendant, or some of you can have Pisces placements. And I feel like people get mesmerized by your beauty. You come across as very enchanting, otherworldly, very dreamy. You could have beautiful hands, beautiful eyes, a very alluring and mesmerizing energy. You have an abundant energy. You hold so much knowledge, and your essence is extremely expensive. You are generous, you are kind, and you are physically striking. You have an appearance that a lot of people stare at. A lot of people may ask you, what is your background? You know, you could be the type of person that could come from a place but can speak many languages, and this is extremely appealing. You have a lot of depth, and people find you to be extremely mysterious. Physically attractive, you are universally beautiful. You take care of yourself, you love on yourself, you dote on yourself, and many people are drawn to you. You could have beautiful lips, symmetric face, arched eyebrows, and a beautiful body, regardless of your shape or your size. Because you embrace yourself, other people embrace you also. You practice self-love and self-care. You are talented, you are creative. You have a very fertile energy. And a lot of people want to date you, even if you are in a relationship. You have a very healing quality, very nurturing. Many people want to befriend you, and for some of you, you have friends, but they do have romantic feelings for you. You are very detached, and this is part of your appeal, you know, because it makes people want you more. You're very intelligent. You know, your communication style is unique. You have innovative ideas. People love conversing with you. People love being around you. People love to be in your presence, and it feels like a privilege to actually spend time with you. You make people feel special because you are generally a person that doesn't like much company. You could prefer your own company. So when you give people your time, it makes people feel special, you know. You have that quality whereby you embrace everyone from all walks of life. Non-judgmental, but you have a lot of self-respect, and you do have discernment, and this is part of your appeal, because you make people wonder, what is it that they like? Who is their type? This nonchalant way about you is extremely attractive. Very intelligent, very analytical. You have a mind of a mathematician or a mind of a psychologist, a lawyer. A heart of gold. You radiate love. You are the embodiment of love. People just feel very healed whenever they are around you. So much compassion, so much grace, so much class. You know, many people feel like you are their family. And many people, when they date you, they want to procreate with you because they want to have an offspring that has the same qualities as you do. And because you're so empathetic and caring, people, romantic partners especially, often feel like if they were to have a child with you, you will display those same traits onto the child. You have that ability to uplift, to inspire, and to heal others just through love. Deeply spiritual. Someone that is in tune with spirit. Someone that is in tune with self. Very passionate when in a relationship. You know, many ex-partners still yearn for your energy. Maybe they didn't appreciate the depths of your emotions when you were with them. And now they feel like if they can have another chance with you, they will appreciate you more. Because when you love wholeheartedly. When you're in a relationship, you're loyal. You make your partner feel like the only person in the world. Yes, you can be possessive, but at the same time, you know how to balance those energies out. And you know how to self-reflect. You know how to take accountability. You know how to apologize whenever you're in the wrong. And that's quite rare for a lot of people. Because you generally just mean well. And you want to spread love. You don't like leaving others out in the cold. Again, you want to embrace all. You are the protector for the underdog, because maybe once upon a time you were an underdog. And people find you to be extremely attractive. And you are oblivious to this all. It's like you're in your own world. If you are in a romantic relationship, your partner adores you. And they fear that they will actually lose you. People are drawn to your intelligence. You know, the way you're so fair and balanced. You are a great romantic partner. And it literally is a privilege to be in a relationship with someone like you. Someone that has so much class, grace. Someone that takes accountability. Someone that knows how to do relationships. Because not everyone knows how to do relationships, you know. And you do. Not only are you a good partner within the relationship, you're a good friend, confident. You're everything rolled up in one. And many people fall in love with you extremely quickly. And many people are in love with you, but again, you are oblivious to this all. Some of you could have white hair, and this adds to your appeal. It gives you character. You are the type of person that people have a lot of soul connections with. Yes, people are attracted to you physically, but it goes way deeper than that. You have the ability to touch people's soul, to transform others, to heal others, to make them believe in love again. You could be that type of person that comes into people's lives after they've gone through a very tumultuous time. And whether it's through friendship or through a relationship, you bring healing, you bring transformation. And you're someone that people can never forget. You tick all boxes. You're simply gorgeous. Look at you. And because you embody love, people only want to give you the very best because you are so deserving of the very best. And what's puzzling for some of you is that you don't see your magic, the true qualities that reside within you. And it didn't come overnight. It may have taken you some time to get to the place where you are now. Some of you are still on your healing journey, and healing is ongoing, and it's okay. But what you will always retain is that passion, that fire. Your energy is so expensive. Your energy ignites and shifts the room wherever you go. You are the magic. You are the vibe. You are a king. You are a queen forever.